everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm going to show you my very last BOXYCHARM Luxe for March 2023. So this just came today and let me just say this is another great box. I am very pleased with this month's premium and luxe box. So if this is like any prediction what we're going to get when it merges into Ipsy, I'm excited. I'm actually looking forward to it. So my understanding, Luxe is going to be called the Icon box. And if you get, like if you already have Ipsy, and I guess they have like a box similar to the Luxe, like I forget what it's called, like Glam X or something. They're both going to merge into the Icon box. And you will still get 8 full-size products and you will get more choice. You get to choose 3 and perks from a collection of curated by an industry icon. So you don't have to do anything. Your next Icon box will automatically come this May instead of June, and you'll get billed a month early. The quarterly upgrade will now replace your base subscription in February, May, August, and November. Okay. And I do know currently BOXYCHARM website is down. So they're gonna, I guess they're in the process of merging everything in Ipsy's website, and they're going to be giving out an email when the Ipsy website is ready. So yeah, it's a lot of information, a lot going on with this whole merger. But anyways, let's show you guys what I got. So the first product, which I'm so happy I got because I really wanted this, is the Pat McGrath Labs Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette, which retails for $36. I really wanted one of these. I think they were giving out different varieties. I'm not really sure, but I got the one in Nude Allure. It is cardboard packaging, but it's nice. It's pretty, and you do have one matte right here, and it's all shimmer, and the shimmers are gorgeous. They worked wonderful with a brush. I'm sure they'll look amazing with my finger. I kind of just blended it on my eyes. I didn't leave it like full pigment. I just took a blender brush and like mixed all the shades together. But it's a really pretty pinky palette, and I'm so happy that I got this. The second palette or product is the Iconic London Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Palette. Retails for $55. So I did try to use it on my cheeks. I don't know, I didn't really like it on my cheeks. I felt like it was like a very like dewy, kind of greasy, oily product. And I try to use it on my lips. It's kind of very sheer. I don't know. I just don't see myself actually using this a whole lot. It's not the type of product that I like. I think the idea is great, and if you're into these types of products, you might really enjoy this. And I think the colors are pretty. It's just not really my cup of tea. I did go over with a powder blush. I thought this sheared out quite a bit when I was blending it on my face. I don't know. I'll have to keep playing with it, but so far it's not something like I enjoy, but it doesn't mean it's a bad product. The third product is from Fenty Beauty. It is the Pre-Show Glow Instant Texturizing 10% AHA Treatment Plus Reusable Applicator. This retails for $40. So I did use this because I like to try all these products before I film the video, just so I can give you like an opinion. But here it's a little bottle, and this is wet, I'm sorry guys, but it came with like a little like cloth, like you could wrap around your hand, and it said to wet this, put a little of this product on it and like kind of buff it into your skin for 30 to 60 seconds and rinse off. And I did it after I cleansed my skin, and I'll tell you what, my skin felt so soft and smooth. I had no irritation, no burning. It did have a slight like hair dye smell, very slight. I smelt that, but it's not very powerful. So yeah, I'm going to keep using it. It says to use this, I think twice a week to use this, so I will do that. And this cloth, it looks like it would be kind of abrasive, but once I wet it, it was kind of soft on my skin, and I think this would be really nice to just use it with, my normal face cleanser to help polish and get any dead skin cells off. So yeah, I'm happy, and I never tried anything from Fenty Skin, so I'm very happy to get that. The fourth product, which I chose, is from Truly Beauty, the Cocoa Rose Fudge Jumbo. Retails for $35. I actually ordered this chose this for my daughter because she's really into this. She actually owns this already, the same scent, and I didn't realize it when I picked it for her, but I guess she'll have another one. It smells very good. You have to like the way rose smells to enjoy this, and it's so cool. I haven't used this because I'm giving it to my daughter, but it's like a whipped formula, or it looks whipped. Like it looks like whipped cream, and I don't know, it's like a body lotion, body butter, so it's probably thick and hydrating. I don't know, I think this is cool. A neat product, and I know my daughter will be happy to have another one. So the 5th product I got is from Verb. It's a Moringa plus Jojoba treatment oil. Retails for $20. It's a hydrating multi-use serum formulated to reduce breakage. Oh my gosh, this is for your hair. I use this on my face. Maybe I should have read it first. Okay. So this is a serum for your hair to reduce breakage, fight dry scalp, repair damaged hair, silicone-free, fragrance-free, natural. This pure blend is proven to reduce breakage, 73%, med split ends. So yeah, I didn't use this on my hair. I used it on my face, and no wonder my skin felt so oily. My skin still feels like very moisturized and dewy. Oh, I should have read this better. Yeah, this is for your hair. Okay, well, I love getting hair products, so I'll definitely use this for my hair and not my face. Don't I feel silly? Okay. The 6th product, which I love as well, is from LYS Beauty, the Complexion Brush Duo. Retails for $30, so I did try this today. I love these. These are so nice. The packaging is so cute. And you have a foundation and a scalp bronzing. I do own a lot of LYS products. I don't own any of their brushes, so I did use this for my LYS foundation, and I do have the LYS bronzer, the cream bronzer stick, and I used that, and it worked wonderful. And I did use this for the blush too. But I think these were great brushes. I think they're so cute. I love how they look. They're just so cute. So happy to get these. They're great. The 7th product I got is from KVD Beauty, the Tattoo Pencil Liner. Retails for $22, and I got the shade, I believe it's in a brown. Yes, it's in a brown, and it's one of those, you know, you just wind it up. It's not a wooden pencil. You don't have to sharpen. I did put it in my waterline, and I tight lined with it. I thought it was really nice. I do own a black one from this brand, and I thought that one was more creamy than this one, but this one still worked really good, so I'm not mad at this. And I do like brown liners. Even like liquid brush liners, I really do enjoy the brown. And the 8th product is actually a repeat. It is the Oma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. Retails for $19.50, so I didn't open this one. I just used the one I already had, and I got this recently, not that long ago. This is like a drier formula. It's more volumizing, and I do have it on today. I do like it. I think it's a decent mascara. So it kind of stinks that I got a double, but I'm wondering, I remember getting emails saying they were going to send me something for free, but I don't remember why. Maybe they gave it to me because they gave me a repeat. I'm not really sure. But I also got this sent to me for like a gift. And they're just the MAC lashes. They're really long. They look really pretty. Oh, they're in the style 86 Opportunist Lash. I don't even own lash glue to try these on because I never wear lashes, but maybe I could practice and get some glue. I don't know. They look pretty. They look very long, but I don't know. I think it's neat that they threw a free gift in, because if they gave it to me because they gave me a repeat, that's really nice, because a lot of times they'll give you like a free, you could get like $6 or something in their drop shop to purchase something. And honestly, I always forget about that. So, or maybe they did this because the drop shop and BOXYCHARM's website is currently closed. I don't know. But yeah, the total retail value of my box, not including the MAC lashes, is $257.50. I think the MAC lashes retail for around $15. But I thought this was a great box. I am very pleased. There's not going to be everything that I love in these boxes, and I understand that because it's kind of a gamble, but I pretty much love everything except for one item. And I think it was a great box. It felt like a luxe to me. It felt like a special box that you pay extra for. So yeah, like, this is so nice. And I love these brushes. And I really like this product too. I'm just really happy with my box. I would love to know what you guys thought. If you get Luxe, what did you think of your box this month? And what do you think about the merger? Do you think it's going to be a positive change to combine the two boxes together? Or I don't know, what do you think of it? I did get Julia, the last video, was hoping that they would ship to Europe, and hopefully, because Ipsy is a larger company and they're, you know, merging with Ipsy, I haven't looked into it, but that would be awesome if they opened up who they ship to, because I believe currently BOXYCHARM was only US and Canada. And if you did want this service, you had to pay like an outside, like a shipping service, and that can be very expensive. So you're not really saving, really, because you're supposed to be, the whole purpose of these boxes is to save. Like you're getting a way bigger value for what you pay, but it's a mystery kind of. But anyways, I don't know, if hopefully they will ship, you know, more international now that they're a larger company and they're merged together. But anyways, guys, I hope you all have a great day. I have lots of videos coming up soon, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.